Preparatory Bridge Course, Test number 3, Subject Science and Technology for Class 9th. Time 1 hour and marks 30. Question number first. Complete the correlation. Amoeba, Protista, Bacteria, Monera. Second, compass, magnetic needle, doorbell, electromagnet. The next question. Look at the diagrams and identify the type of chemical bond present in the given molecule. So student, in the hydrogen molecule, covalent bond is present, while in NaCl, that means sodium chloride, ionic bond is present. Question number second. Give scientific reasons for 4 marks. First question. Beautiful designs can be made using kaleidoscopes. So answer is, kaleidoscope is an optical instrument which is based on the principle of multiple reflection by the 3 mirrors placed at the specific angles to one another. This principle helps kaleidoscope to make the beautiful designs. Then second question. What should always cover our nose while sneezing? So answer is, because cold is an infectious disease. While sneezing, droplet of cold mix in air which may lead to spreading of microorganisms causing various airborne diseases like corona, swine flu, common cold, common flu. To avoid this, we should always cover our mouth and nose while sneezing. Then next question, question number 3. Observe the following diagram and answer the question given below. So student, the diagram is given here. You must observe this diagram and questions are given, we have to answer it. So question number A. Which gaseous oxides are getting mixed with the air? So by this diagram, we know that sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, gaseous oxides are getting mixed with the air. Then question number B. Which acids will be formed in the acid rain? So during acid rain, nitric acid HNO3, H2SO4 sulfuric acid, H2CO3 carbonic acid will be formed in the acid rain. Then next question, explain the effects of acid rain. So student, the effects of acid rain are as follows. First, acid rain damage the building and monument made up of stone and metals. Then acid rain causes soil pollution. Acid rain affects the ecosystem, aquatic plants and animals get affected. Then water pollution also caused by acid rain. Then next question, what will you do to avoid such pollution? So certain measures are there to avoid such pollution. Reduce the excessive use of fossil fuel, use renewable energy sources. Then tree plantation also helps to reduce such pollution. Then stop burning of substances which release the gases which leads to the acid rain. Then question number 4. Complete the following flow chart. The flow chart is given here. The missing spaces we have to fill the correct answer. Microorganisms, first one is prokaryotic and second eukaryotic microorganisms. Under prokaryotic we have to write down bacteria, then under eukaryotic protozoa, fungi and algae. In this way we have completed our flowing chart. Then question number 5. The naming done for the given diagram is wrong. Identify the mistakes and correct it. So students, the given diagrams are there for the osmosis process and the naming are wrong here, so we have to correct it. So correct name for the first diagram, it is not hypotonic, it is a hypertonic solution. Then second one, it is isotonic, and third, it is hypotonic. Then question number 6. Write the correct order of the process of formation of the stars for 2 marks. The temperature of density increases, nuclear energy generation starts, the gaseous sphere becomes self-luminous, dense sphere of the hot gas is formed. So the correct order for this process of formation of stars is, first, the temperature and density increases. Then second, dense sphere of hot gas is formed. Then third, nuclear energy generation starts. And fourth, the gaseous spheres become self-luminous. Then next question, question number 7. Give 2 examples of each for 4 marks. First A, substances that can be degraded naturally. So students, leaf, vegetable, fruits, wood, paper, these substances can be degraded naturally. Then question number B, media through which the sound can pass. Solid, liquid and gaseous, these are the media through which the sound can pass. Question number 8. Following figure shows the type of reflection. Observe it and write the difference between the two. So figure A, it is of regular reflection, and figure B, it is of irregular reflection. So difference between regular and irregular reflection. Parallel beam of light remains parallel after reflection. This is known as regular reflection, while beam of light does not remain parallel after reflection, known as irregular reflection. Regular reflection occurs on the smooth surface like mirror, while irregular reflection occurs on the rough surfaces like stone, wood, etc. Then question 9, explain what will happen. First, overdose of painkillers is taken. Overdose of painkiller may affect our body. It may damage nervous system, excretory system and also liver. Then second, current carrying wire and bulbs are connected between electric cells in an electric circuit. So answer is bulb get illuminated due to the current flow through the circuit. Then question number 3, the volcanic eruption took place. So answer is solid, liquid and gaseous materials emerge through the eruption. Example, hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, ammonium chloride, hydrogen vapor, dust are causes air pollution. Many times vision get affected by the dust. Then last question, question number 10. Observe the given diagrams and answer the following question for 2 marks. Question number A. The man-made materials are shown in the diagram. What effects can they have on the environment? So answer is the man-made material are shown in the diagram is plastic. It takes thousands of the years to decompose. When it burns, it releases highly toxic gases which causes the air pollution. Laying on the ground causes soil pollution, and many times it choke up the drainage system and causes the flood. Pieces of plastic go into the reservoir and adversely affect the habitat there. Then question number B. What preventive measures can we take to avoid the ill effects? So preventive measures are: first, reduce the use of plastic, recycle the plastic, use cloth or jute bag instead of plastic bag, and fourth one, pyrolysis is better option to reduce the plastic waste. So in this way we have completed our bridge course test number 3.